friends, this is RK. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can re-download PUBG, which had just been banned in India, on your iPhone or iPad. Just in case you are craving to play this game and you had downloaded it earlier, you can re-download this popular battle royale game on your iPhone or iPad. Let me show you how it works. Now, before getting started, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any update from us. To begin with steps, launch App Store and then make sure Today tab is selected. After that, tap on your avatar, then tap on Purchased, and then tap on My Purchases, and then you have to search for PUBG. Okay, it is worth noting that you must have downloaded this app earlier, otherwise it won't show up right here. So this is the only condition, as I had downloaded PUBG on my iPhone. That's why it is showing up right here. So it will show up, and then all you have to do is hit the download button and you are ready to go. So that's the quick way you can re-download PUBG on your iPhone or iPad even after the ban in India. If you have found this guide helpful, then do like it and share it.